Hey artists! Let's draw the adorable Winnie the Pooh showing off his big belly. Grab your pencils and let's bring Pooh Bear to life. Let's go! Winnie the Pooh was inspired by a real bear named Winnipeg. Have you ever had a stuffed bear like Pooh? What's its name? That sounds like a cuddly friend. What does Pooh love to eat? That's right, honey. Yum! Pooh loves honey, or as he calls it, honey. But did you know real bears eat more than just honey? His best friend is Piglet, but he also loves hanging out with Tigger, Eeyore, and Christopher Robin. Winnie the Pooh's eyes have opened. I believe he enjoys what he sees. Who is Pooh's bouncy friend? Yes, it's Tigger. Boing, boing. The 100-acre wood is based on a real forest in England called Ashdown Forest. His red shirt was not in the original book. It was added later in Disney's version. Pooh loves his red shirt. What's your favorite color to wear? Ooh, great choice! We did it! Our sketch of Winnie the Pooh is complete. Adding color will make him look so cute with his big belly. Take out your favorite crayons or markers and let's color him. He has a favorite saying, "Oh, bother," when things don't go as planned. What shape is Pooh's big belly? Yes, it's round. Just like a big honey pot. Pooh is very kind and loves to share. Even his honey, sometimes. The author, A. Milne, named Christopher Robin after his own son. Winnie the Pooh has a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. What color is Winnie the Pooh's shirt? Yes, it's red. If you could visit the 100-acre wood, what would you do first? That sounds fun. Maybe have a picnic like Pooh. Can you make a silly "oh, bother" face like Pooh? Let's do it together. If Pooh shared his honey with you, would you try it? Nice! Sweet and sticky, just like Pooh loves it. Well done! That looks amazing! You're so creative! Thank you for drawing with me today. See you next time for more fun!